Happy 4th of July, folks, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. We'll be celebrating the 4th of July by cooking something from the Presidents Cookbook. I'm going to be cooking a recipe that was created by Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson actually died on the 4th of July in 1826. He was quite known for being a bit of an alcoholic, and his dish involves alcohol. It's called a Drunken Loaf, and it sounds pretty exciting. Let me show you how to make it. You need to start with a loaf of French bread that you cut in half. And now comes the drunken part. I have 2 cups of red wine that you're going to pour on top of that loaf. Oh my goodness. And now I need to wrap that loaf up in aluminum foil. And we're going to bake it for a half an hour at 350. Thomas Jefferson's 2 favorite foods are macaroni and Parmesan cheese. And that's what's going to be going on top of this drunken loaf. So let's boil up some macaroni. Time to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 6 ounces of shredded Parmesan. Mix that all together. Our loaf is out and warm, and now we pour those cheesy noodles on top of it. Well, would you look at that? Now I'm gonna put it under the broiler for 2 minutes. And here we have it. Let the drunkenness begin. Thomas Jefferson's Drunken Loaf. This is his actual recipe. We're tasting history here. And history tastes great. It's very winey. And I don't complain about things like that. Does fire get the day off on Independence Day? No. Fireworks on the 4th of July.